So, hi guys, welcome again to another video, and for this video we'll be gonna summarize again the chapter 1, which is the explore the network. So first we have the ways we communicate. So as you can see, we communicate by using texting, the social media, the collaboration tools, the blogs, the wikis, and the broadcasting, and the peer-to-peer or the sharing. So among all of the essential for human existence, the need to interact with the others ranks below our need to sustain life. So communication is almost as important to us our reliance on air, water, food, and shelter. So in our today's world, through the use of networks, we are connected like never before. So people with the ideas can communicate instantly with others to make those ideas a reality. So the news, events, and discoveries are known worldwide in seconds. So individuals can connect and even play games with friends, whether they are in the separate ocean and continent. So that's the communication in our world nowadays. So in the beginning, we had the network that we saw a new communication technology, a way to bring people together. Back then, as we created this technology, we saw a glimpse of the future that this would create, but no one can really knew. So today is a future. Traffic internet has grown exponentially since the 60s. So for your information, it will reach zettabyte by 2016. Our mobile devices are more powerful than the supercomputers we used 20 years ago. So mobile data traffic is growing exponentially, doubling every year. And now, with the cloud, we are connecting the physical world and the internet using micro sensors. The network we're making everyday subject intelligence. Welcome to internet and of everything. So that's the some brief about our network today. So let's proceed to the next slide. So we have the sizes of network. So for the first one, we have the personal area network, or what we call the PAN, and the local area network, which is what we call the LAN. And for the next one, we have metropolitan area network, or what we call the MAN, and the WAN, which is the wide area network, and the SAN, which is the storage area network. So for the LAN, it is a network infrastructure that provides access to the user and end devices in a small geographical area only, which is typically enterprise, home, or small business network owned and managed by an individual or IT department. So for the wide area network, we have the network infrastructure that provides access to the network over a wide geographical area, which is typically owned by managed by a telecommunication service provider. So for the metropolitan area network, it it span physical area larger than the LAN but smaller than the WAN. For example, our city. So the MAN typically operated by a single entity, which is the large organization. So the next one, we have the wireless LAN or the WLAN. So it is similar to LAN but wirelessly interconnects users and endpoint in a small geographical area. So for the last one, we have the SAN. It is a design, support, file server, and provide data storage, retrieval, and replication. So let's proceed to the next one. So the client and servers. We have all devices are called host. So for the peer-to-peer, many computer functions on server and client on the network. And for the network components, we have the devices, the media, and the services. So let's proceed. So for the end devices, we have, for example, we have the desktop computers, laptop, printer, IP phone, wireless tablet, and the telepresent endpoint. Excuse me. So for the intermediary devices, we have the wireless router, the LAN switch, the router, the multi-layer switch, and the firewall appliance. So for the network media, we have wireless, fiber optic, and copper. So in the end device, that is the things that we use while we're doing a configuration, like what we have in our personal things. So we have our tablets, the phones, and the tablet, and many more. So for the intermediary, that is the needed for our connection, which is the, for example, the wireless router, and the LAN switch, the firewall appliances. So for the network media, that is what we use when we are connecting some of it. So let's proceed to the next. So that's all for this video, I guess. So additional here, so we have our end devices, which is it provides the interface between the human and the network, like what I've said earlier. And for the intermediary devices, it provides connectivity and ensures data flows across the network. And for the network media, provides a channel for message to travel to source or destination. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again on the next video.